And next part is that we have to disconnect these coolant hoses, 1 and 2 in here and third one in this left area. And we start our job in this electric water pumps coolant hose. In that area we have in here electric this coolant pump. It is in this part in here and it is located in here, and let's go to look closer. Looks like Toyota Prius electric this coolant pump for this transmission, and there is really Toyota Prius hybrid cars transmission. And when we look in that area in here, we can see just in here this is electric coolant water pump for transmission. 2 hoses, 1 in and second out, and this is really electric, and it rotates in here inside that area this coolant liquid, and it is like secondary coolant system. First one is this electric motor and second is this transmission. And the reason for that is that this hybrid electric motor, it generates so much heat that's we have to cool down this transmission. Nice engineering by Toyota. Then I take these coolant hoses away in that area, and it is good to take in that area because then we have smaller risk that we damage these plastic hoses. Okay, and here we have really both of these coolant hoses for this transmission water pump, and now I take only this lower part away, and remember that there is coolant liquid inside probably, and I have to let's check, and now I little bit move that, and now there is coolant liquid, and I take my canister that I can collect this stuff. And now this electric coolant pump hose is free, and we can go to open this upper area's coolant hoses. Okay, and now we are in this engine, that area, this side, and there we have these electric cables, but we have to press these sensors. We press this way away, and then this oxygen sensor cable also away in that area, and then this sensor that side in this way. And let's check that how I managed to open. Okay, and now these cables, they are free, all of these. This is first step, and we can take this big hose away, but our cables are in this side, 2 hoses, and let's look at how I open those connectors in here. Okay, and these coolant hoses, first one is in here, but goes to cabin heater. Then I take my pliers and I press this clamp in away in that way. Carefully I move that in here, and then I take my flathead screwdriver and I open this joint in that way. Good, it moves in that way, and there is coolant. Okay, I have to take care of that later. Coolant liquid is there, and then the second hose is in this area, that one in here, and I open also this clamp. And I move this steel clamp away. It will be difficult position. Now I can move that. Now it opens, and then I rotate, and I open this hose, that one Okay, now it opens. This is okay. Now both of these cables are free. Excellent. And now coolant hoses are free in that area in here. Excellent. And then I can set up these cabin coolant hoses in up, that we can work in that area more in here. And we go to then next open electric cables.